All right, a little bit of story time. I have decided to quit my job to go volunteering, probably in Colombia, Italy, who knows, just a process. Okay, but so it means that I'm moving again. And but this time I have come to a point in my life where I really am embracing minimalism, and I'm deciding what notes to keep. So like these are my things, and then here, and yeah, those are kind of discarded. And it's a bit hard because yeah, it's midnight. Yeah, but aside from that, because you have to choose what to let go of, and things are kind of a reflection of your identity first. And I mean, holding on to many things like clutter in your space is basically the physical representation of a scarcity mindset. And so now I'm gonna think out loud. I'm gonna try to, yeah, come to the solution when talking out loud, and maybe it's gonna help someone. Who knows? One person in 10 years, you know, when like YouTube gives you, yeah, all videos. What was I talking about? Yeah, so right now my scarcity mindset with my notes is knowledge. I want to have all of it, but like, yeah, I mean, I don't remember everything that I studied in high school. And it's like, is it important? Is it not? Right now, I don't really see psychology, like the things that I did in psychology. I don't think I will want to go back to them because I live with YouTube videos about psychology, and like I have other sources, and it's okay. And also in general, like I don't. It's like personal things, but I don't plan to pursue anything in psychology. Okay, and so that's that. Danish. I mean, yes, with details, like the little things. I mean, I probably forgot. I mean, I haven't spoken Danish in so long, but I still understand it. I can still watch series, and I am at the speaking level already. So like things like this, like children's book that we used to have in class to learn Danish. I'm ready to let go of that as well. This should probably be like a horizontal video instead. Oh well. I have some papers that I wrote in Danish. Okay, so for the Danish period of my life, I will just keep a few, I don't know, like a paper, like memories. It's just gonna be memories of essays, and yeah. Then we have, yeah, like I started a few thingies, notebooks with languages. I have some French. I mean, I can find those things online. I have, I started Arabic, but it's like 10 pages maybe. Then, and also notebooks themselves. I feel like taking notes, and the notes process is just, I actually wrote it down. So notes are just to help process the information and put it into memory. It helps, yeah, and then I did a programming, like what's called comparison. It helps me commit, so I can push to long-term memory. That's it. They're not meant to be kept. Yeah, so like notes are not meant to be kept. They're just like part of the process to analyze the information and put it into your brain. Okay, and like my school of thought right now is to have everything in my brain. Anything that it's on a paper, like everything that that I want to know should be on a paper for a very short amount of time, and then it should be whoop to my brain, and then the paper can be discarded. And okay, so and notes are not necessarily like very precise, so we will get rid of those language notebooks, these ones. Yeah, I had some Japanese, I don't know, it's just a press. Then, I mean, maybe I don't know, should I keep a few papers? I had forgotten about them. I had never thought about them. And what's easier, collecting things over and over again, or just letting go? And you know who keep it? What day? I mean, I can just, the internet exists, and then it's like, but what if a huge blackout happens and we won't have internet anymore, and my only sources of knowledge will be what I have? Well, I already have lots of books. Like I have like a huge physics book at home, like the other home, like in my father's. And I have lots of books I could study on. It could be like a sign that I have to focus on. I have a lot of books on Viking history, so I could start doing that. And why did I suddenly get a Swedish accent? Anyway, yeah, when I think, I love how my accent sometimes just switches depending on what I'm talking about. It's amazing. Okay, because there was a series where a guy spoke like this when speaking about certain things, and so okay. So notebooks out. Then we have math notes. Now I am going to university as well. I have I'm touching my math pile right now. And I have that material, and that's probably enough, because I won't go through this material. There could be some things well explained. I mean, I have gone through stuff quickly, and that's not, maybe I can, there are IB, like my high school program past papers. It could be helpful, but I feel like it would just like mess up, or like, yeah, confuse me maybe with methods and whatnot. Yeah. And I would associate my high school relationship with math with my nowadays relationship with math. So yeah, that probably can go too. Physics, same, because I have like, I'm doing the physics program, and so I have like 50-50 physics and math. Same process, same of thought. Okay. English. Well, there are some stories that are cool. Well, then I can write down the titles of the stories, maybe read them through, save them in my hard drive, and let go of the papers. Then I love how this is gonna be like a bullet point note for me tomorrow morning. It's amazing. Okay. And then we are left with chemistry and biology. So here I have a few, like these two papers, and then like piles of papers, and then these. Here I have also other things, like some assessments, and also some more of the other subjects, but mainly chemistry and biology. Now that I'm touching the 10-minute, okay, for that I'm gonna make another video.